Hello friends, today we are reading Wintergarden, written by Janet Fox and illustrated by Jazu Hu. Wintergarden. In winter, when it snows, my mama grows a garden. Pots in a row on a windowsill. Our kitchen smells like rain. She plants the seeds, teeny tiny, seeds like freckles, seeds like eyelashes, seeds like the wings of bees. She lets me put some in the soil because my fingers are so nice and small. She shows me what we've planted, names on the paper packets. She helps me sound them out. Baby greens? I ask. Smaller than me? Mama laughs. I watch and wait and wait and watch and touch the soil with my fingertips to see if it is too dry or too wet. I wonder what the seeds are doing deep inside their springy bed. I turn the pots to get more light, while beyond the window, the city disappears beneath the powder snow. When we bundle up and go outside, our footstep sounds are muffled. The houses are dressed in cheery lights. The leafless trees are stark and dark. The cars roll by in slushy rumbles. The shops are warm and full and bright, and smells like cinnamon and apples. At home, I watch and wait and wonder. At last, the sprouts appear like magic overnight. Snow patters on the window pane. The shoots push up and up and up. The plants grow fast. Some are red and some are green. Some are fat and flat, and some are skinny, with lacy patterns like those made on the window by frost. The lettuce leaves crunch like tiny icicles in my mouth. The parsley dusts the potatoes like green snowflakes. The oregano makes the soup taste like summer. Winter outside the window, garden on the sill. Crunchy greens we eat and eat until we need more seeds. This time, I get to pick the packets. I get to pack the pots and plant the seeds. I watch and wait and wonder as my own garden grows in spring. how to grow your own winter garden. The end.